Hey, this is Nick. As you've seen in the previous videos, we've installed our radius cables. So this here is one of our temperature moisture radius cables that we've installed. So what we've done on the roof already is we've drilled a hole, fed the cable down through, secured the cable, and we also have a 2-rib roof bracket on top with that as well. So once we have it installed in the bin, all you're going to do, the floor, we have this little floor bracket here. It's got a loop on it. You're going to tie with twine, and then you're going to attach the twine to this loop here. That way when your stirrator or sweeper or whatever you have starts going, it's just going to cut it